This is the top 6 best chronograph watches in the world. Sixth place, Vacheron Constantin Vintage. While there are a few different varieties of chronograph available from Vacheron Constantin, nothing stands out quite like the iconic Cornez de Vent, which pays tribute to the cow horns formed by the knob of the 1955 model. The watch face also features a measurement down to the second plus a 30-minute counter. Fifth place, IWC Portofino Chronograph. Like most watches by IWC, the Portofino is a watch that stands out on the merits of its polished design and its solid mechanic. It features a date and month display on its subdials and a hacking movement so you can set the time to a precise second. Fourth place, Audemars Piguet self-winding chronograph. From the 1930s to the 1950s, Audemars Piguet crafted a very rare series of chronograph watches that are highly sought after today. The legibility of the dial is greatly increased with contrasting color elements to make the second hand and the hands on the subdials stand out clearly. Third place, Omega Speedmaster. In production since 1957, the Omega Speedmaster is perhaps most widely known because of the Moonwatch edition, which was the first watch worn in space during a spacewalk and on the moon. It is still one of a select few watches qualified by NASA and is the only one that is qualified for use outside a spacecraft. Second place, Patek Philippe annual calendar. For close to 200 years, Patek Philippe has been designing chronograph watches that are known for their sleek beauty and their incredible precision. The annual calendar is one of the simplest in terms of its look, with its platinum casing and a black dial with white gold detailing. However, it contains an intricate level of craftsmanship with apertures on the watch face indicating day, date and month, as well as whether it's day or night. First place, Rolex Cosmograph Daytona. The ultimate sporting watch, the Cosmograph Daytona is named after one of the most renowned motor racing destinations in the mid-20th century, Daytona, Florida. It started out as a companion to professional race car drivers in 1963, helping them to keep track of their race times and speed. One of the original watches had a variant design that was nicknamed the Paul Newman Daytona for the famed actor and racer. It was sold in 2017 for $17.8 million, which was a record at the time. The Daytona features fewer components than a standard chronograph and can read time to 1/8 of a second. These are the top 6 best chronograph watches in the world. Thank you for spending the time to watch my video. I highly appreciate your feedback. Please write your feedback in the comments below. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and family. As always, I'll see you in the comments below. Thank you for watching.